Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this lesson we will discuss the amphoteric nature of substance, and this topic is given in chemistry textbook for the 10th class. The topic is given in chapter number 10th. Name of the chapter is acid, bases and salt. What is amphoteric nature? I have made the questions about this topic. As we know that amphoteric nature is according to Bronsted-Lowry concept. So I have made the question which will be related to this topic, and the question is no question number one is classify water as amphoteric substance. Explain amphoteric nature of water. What is meant by amphoteric substance? Explain with the help of example. This type of question will become in board relating to amphoteric nature of water, and this concept is given in the chemistry textbook recommended for the 10th class. So about amphoteric nature we will have such kind of question. Classify water as amphoteric substances. Explain amphoteric nature of water. What is meant by amphoteric substance? Explain with the help of example. All of these three questions have the same answer which we discuss in this video. First of all, we should have student the definition of amphoteric substance. The word amphoteric is derived from the Greek word amphoteri, which means both. Substances that possess amphoteric abilities are capable of acting as acids and base depending on the substance they are reacting with. Such substances are called amphoteric substances. So students, this is the definition of amphoteric substances. I am repeating the definition again in order to understand you people very well. The word amphoteric is derived from the Greek word amphoteri, which means both. Substances that possess amphoteric abilities are capable of acting as an acid and as base depending on substance they are reacting with. Such substances are known as the amphoteric substances. Amphoteric nature of water. Amphoteric word amphoteric means proton acceptor or proton donor. As we know that this concept is according to the definition of Bronsted-Lowry concept. So we have proton donor and proton acceptor in case of discussing the amphoteric nature of substance. Students, here I have written a very clear definition of amphoteric substance. Those compounds which can act as acids as base are called amphoteric compound. And one of the most common example of amphoteric compounds is water. So I have put the heading water acting as an acid. When water react with ammonia, it donates proton to ammonia such that formation of ammonium ion and hydroxide ion take place. See the reaction water react with ammonia. As a result, we have OH negative plus NH4 positive. According to Bronsted-Lowry theory, acid is a substance that donates proton. Thus, in the above reaction, water is acting as an acid because it is donating a proton towards the ammonia. Now I am putting the second heading water acting as a base. When water react with H2S or even when water react with HCl, it accept the proton from H2S or HCl. Such that formation of hydronium ion H3O positive take place. Such See the reaction water react with H2S and we are getting hydronium ion plus H2HS negative. According to Bronsted-Lowry base is a substance theory. Base is a substance that accept proton and form its conjugate base acid. Thus in the above reaction water is acting as a base. Okay, students, see the question number 13 that is given in the review exercise of this last chapter. Classify water as a proton donor and proton acceptor, or explain amphoteric nature of water. First of all, in order to solve this question, we should put the heading amphoteric substance. and the substance which react with both acids and base are known as the amphoteric substance. Put the heading water as a proton donor or water as an acid. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, an acid is a proton donor. Water is able to donate the proton during some reaction, so it behave as a proton donor or even as an acid. See the reaction when water react with ammonia, water is donating proton, water is converting into OH by donating a proton. So water is an acid because ammonia accept the proton and form ammonium ion. So ammonia is a base. Next, put the another heading water as a proton acceptor or water as a base. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept of acids and base is a proton acceptor, and water is kept able to accept the proton during some reaction, so it behave as a proton acceptor or it behaves as as a acid. See the example when water react with HCl, water is donating the proton. Water is basically when water react with HCl, water is accepting the proton. HCl is converted into Cl negative by donating the proton. HCl is an acid because water accept the proton that HCl donate and form hydronium ion. So water is a base. So this is the students question answer of the question related to amphoteric nature. Thanks.